Welcome everybody. It's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Hey, listen, thank you guys for subscribing, liking the video. Continue to like it, continue to subscribe. Hey, if you're brand new, really new to the channel, to the atmosphere, to our world, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're new. We're reaching to 1,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So please, so as to see, like it, drop a like on the video. Subscribe, spread it across the world and the universe. Alright, people, the group stages is over. Group stages are over, and we can now report the teams that are going to the next round. Now, y'all should know what teams are, past the group stages. If you haven't, what are you doing, fam? Why are you here? But I report to you because I'm your friend. We are compatriots. So I talk about different groups that's going in the group stages, moving from the group stages into round of 32, and what we can do from there, and then to see who's playing what, where, and when. So first team we're gonna talk about, first two teams coming out of Group A will be Netherlands and Senegal. Of course, Netherlands come out the group with 7 points. Senegal behind them with 6 points. So they'll move on to the next round. Group B consists of Iran, USA, and the rest of them. England come out first with 7 points. USA come out second with 5 points. So they move on to the next round. England, they have so much potential, fam, but Gareth Southgate and him friend thing, I missed up completely. I tell you right now. France play some wicked football, some decent football in the first two games. The last game in Switzerland played a little bit, cost them the full points in the group stages, but they still top the group. So kudos to that. France and Australia go through to the next round. So that's a good thing. It's a good thing for Australia too. They Socceroos, as we like to call them. So Socceroos on the way. Argentina and Poland come out of this round. Now we know Argentina start off shaky. It's Saudi Arabia beating them 2-1, but Argentina came back showing the grit of champions, because Messi is on his way to win this World Cup. Remember me tell that. But Argentina and Poland top group. Argentina top group, Poland second. So we'll talk about who they play in the next round. This group consists of Spain, Germany, Japan, Costa Rica. Hear me out, fam. Japan top the group. Spain come second. Germany come third, fam. And Costa Rica come 43 points. Japan come in with 6 points. Spain come in with 4 points. Germany come in with 4 points, but Spain have some decent goal differences because of them to Costa Rica in the first game. And of course, Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Costa fucking Rica. I tell you. Anyway, keep it moving. In Morocco, Croatia, Belgium, and Canada. Morocco come out top of the group with 7 points, Barry. Croatia, 5 points. Belgium, the golden boys, the golden team. Oh my god. 4 points. Of course, Canada finished with no points. They scored about 3 goals, I think, or 2. I don't remember. But hey, listen, I'm going to be honest with you. Canada plays some good football, especially in the first 2 games. They play some very good football, and I can see Canada doing very well in the next World Cup. They're going to win the next World Cup. I'm sure of that. I am very sure of that. Canada is going to win the next World Cup. But the next World Cup, they're going to do very well. So, because they have a young team, a very talented team, and a very good coach. So big up yourself, Canada. Kudos to you, fam. Kudos to you, man. Like, next round was Cameroon, Brazil, Serbia, and Switzerland. No, and Brazil was going to win this group without a doubt. They came first in terms of points. But I really thought Serbia was going to do well this year. But they didn't. Serbia has a wonderful team. Mitrovic, Milankovic-Savic, Tadic. Oh my God. Vlahovic. My word, they have a wicked team. Plus the bench. Serbia has a wonderful team. How them not perform this World Cup, I don't know. I do not know. But Brazil come first, Switzerland come second, Cameroon come third, and Serbia come last. 1 point. 1 point. One bumbo club point. I can't tell. I can't tell. I cannot tell you. Don't make me tell you. Group H. Alright, Group H. Here comes Group H. Ghana, Uruguay, South Korea, and Portugal. Now, Portugal come first with 6 points. Now, South Korea come second with 4 points. Uruguay come third with 4 points, and Ghana come third with 3 points. Now, hear me out on this one. Portugal come first. Cristiano has played dreadful for Portugal this World Cup. He has played dreadful for Manchester United this last season too as well. He has been dreadful. He has been a definite dreadful for Portugal. He needs to be dropped. If Portugal is going to do well and win this World Cup and go far, semi-final, they need to drop him. They need to drop him. I'm just saying, they need to drop him. They have Silva in the middle, Silva play in the middle. They need to drop him. They need to drop him. South Korea, great win over Portugal today. Decent win. Came second. Now let's talk about the group stages. Now listen, this is what I'm saying to you right now, people, because this is going to be very, very important for my sanity. This is going to be very important for my sanity, okay? First game, Netherlands versus USA. Netherlands versus USA. Now USA made it by tip of the tongue, but they're going to play against the Netherlands, which is a decent team from bottom to top. That a world-beating team will have a very good team. I think Netherlands will win that. And then you have Australia versus Argentina. We already know who's going to win that. That's going to be an easy win to the quarterfinals. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's that simple. Okay? Japan versus Croatia. Now this is up in the air because Japan is playing very well. Croatia not so well. And Japan had a chance to win the second game and would have sealed the group, but they didn't do so, and they had to fight to get the last win. I do think Japan will be more than enough to get past Croatia. Now, Croatia might surprise me and start playing some decent football in the next round. I don't know, I can't tell, but I do think that Japan will hold on to that one. South Korea versus Brazil. Now, this is where South Korea trips end. They had a decent run in the first run of games, wonderful memories. But Unsum means Unsum, whatever I want him. Sorry, fam. Sorry. There I go. England versus Senegal. Now, I do believe that England will go all the way to the quarterfinals this year. So that means Senegal will beat them this year. Fine and dandy. Senegal did well to get to that point, but I don't think they have enough to beat England. But could be wrong. I could be wrong. France versus Poland. It's going to be a battle for the big mans. Poland with Lewandowski. France with Mbappe. I think Mbappe is and France with Al-Assad is going to push past them. Too easy. Way too easy. So France, Mbappe will take that one. Morocco and Spain. Although I really do hate Spain, I can't see them beating. I can't see them getting beaten by Morocco. Getting beaten by Morocco. Yes, I think Spain will definitely win this one. And Portugal and Switzerland. Again, Portugal has a lot of quality over Switzerland, so I think they'll win this one. But again, we have to drop Cristiano Ronaldo. You have to drop Cristiano Ronaldo or not work out. But people, thank you guys for watching. Listen, this World Cup has been brilliant, people. Watching the games every day, seeing all the surprises, surprise results, surprise shocks, all this, it's just been great. I didn't really anticipate World Cup will be that good in the middle of the season, but them cut it halfway through the season to play the World Cup, and the World Cup has been brilliant. Belgium gone home, Germany gone home, so many big teams gone home. So big up yourself, people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe down there if you know, because it's brand new. You know what? It's free, you know? Very free. Too free. So drop a like on the video. Subscribe down there for brand new. Best of yourself. Manaz.